Welcome to the Western CPE conference app, and welcome to a whole new conference experience. This year, we've gone digital. Everything you need your schedule, your session check ins, your connections with other attendees it's all right in your pocket. And before you ask, yes, you're still getting a physical badge. We know it's your favorite accessory. Let's walk you through how to get started. First up, download the app. Head to the App Store if you're on iPhone or Google Play if you're on Android. Search Western CPE and download. Once it's open, you'll log in with the name and email you used to register. You'll get a quick verification code sent to that email. Type it in and you're good to go. From there, you'll have the option to set up your profile. You can fill it out or skip it, totally up to you. You'll also choose whether you want to be discoverable to other attendees. If you're here to network, go visible. If you'd rather stay incognito, we get that too. Now, before you head into any sessions, take a second to explore the floor plans in the app. They'll show you exactly where everything is, so you're not doing laps around the building looking for room 4B. While you're in the app, go ahead and turn on notifications. That way, you'll get real-time updates, session reminders, and any changes as they happen. When you're ready to manage your schedule, just tap Schedule on the home page. You can remove sessions by unchecking them or browse all sessions to add new ones. It all updates automatically, so no juggling required. Now, here's something worth knowing: your QR code. You'll find it by tapping your profile circle at the bottom right corner of the app. This is what you'll use to check in and out of every session on the tablets at the door if you don't have your badge. To check in and out of classes, you'll show your QR code to the front-facing camera of the tablets outside of the classroom doors. Speaking of checking in, please make sure you do it at the start and end of every session. That's how your attendance gets recorded, and you'll want full credit for your time here. Beyond scheduling, the app is also a great way to stay connected. You can message other attendees, join discussions, check announcements, and fill out session surveys. Those survey responses genuinely help us, so we appreciate everyone. And if you ever have questions, check out the FAQ section in the app. If there are any excursions planned, you'll find all the details and links to book them right on the event page. That's it. You're all set. Our on-site team will be around throughout the conference if you need a hand with anything. Don't hesitate to track one of them down. Now go have a great conference. You've earned it.